Added new employees or products to the enterprise but not seeing them on your point of sale terminal? Just follow these steps and we'll guide you through the process to sync the terminal with Enterprise. Step 1. Navigate to the Springboard menu. You will see 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on these lines to open the Springboard menu options. You will be prompted to enter your password or scan your fingerprint to proceed. Please keep in mind that you need to have the necessary access available on your selected designation. Step 2. Once the Springboard menu opens, you'll see several operation options. Click on the System Support option to continue. Step 3. This will open a screen with various support options. Look for the Refresh Back Office (BOF) data button and click on it. This action will fetch and refresh the data, thus syncing any back office data with your point of sale. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem on Unity Enterprise. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our call center. They will be happy to assist you with your queries.